Hey everyone, I'm Brendan the Paleo Dude. I'm out here in Vancouver. I'm at the ocean, and like the title of the video, I'm going to be setting the ocean protector Mosasaurus free into the ocean. That's right, I'll be chucking the ocean protector Mosasaurus into the ocean. So, come on closer, let's get this in Ultra 4K, bring it on up. We're gonna be testing it in salt water, I guess, initially. So let's set her fins into swim mode, and let's see what it's like in salt water. Okay, make sure the camera's on it. Woo! Be free. Okay. Now I gotta retrieve it. It do be sinking. This is actually great. The water's kind of murky. Oh no, it's drowning. Okay. So I've taken my shoes off. As you can see, water has now filled the body cavity. I think the head's just got some air in it. But look at that. Wow. The water's pretty murky here. It's got a lot of silt in it, so that's why it's hiding most of the body. Let's try and get a good shot of that. That's wicked. Okay, so it does fine in water, very aerodynamic. You can push it around. Here, like that. I'm gonna pick it up by the tail. You can see all the water can drain from its mouth. I'm sure some of the water got into the tail segment here. It's not like fully glued. You can see the little crack in there. So if you put it in water, make sure to drain it both ways and then set it out on a towel somewhere dry, like outside, because this thing can still have water in it even after shaking it and gripping it for a while. You can see all the water running off its tail. But there we have it, the ocean protector Mosasaurus released to the ocean. That's wicked. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Very fun to make. Just chucking it in like that. That was wicked. And my feet are starting to hurt. I'm on rocks at the moment. So we can put her on the shore to have a little scenic view. There we go. Very fun, very great toy. Hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.